Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a very beautiful crochet shawl pattern which is for adult medium size. Just one row repeat pattern, a beginner friendly pattern. You can easily make this pattern. So let's get into the video. Okay, for this crochet project, I am using a number 5 steel crochet hook which is equal to 2 mm crochet hook size, and I am using a 3 ply cotton yarn. So I have made this shawl already, and in the pattern I will show you how to make a smaller patch just to start this pattern. So this is beginner friendly simple pattern, and I will show you a smaller patch. So start with a slip knot, and then we would make chains. For this crochet project you will need to have odd number of chains, and make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, chain 9, and then 10. In this way make any odd number of chains. I have made almost 29 chains. Now make chain 1 for the pattern, then we would make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and these 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch here. And then for the pattern of first row, make chain 1, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook like this, and count the chains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Into the 6th one, go into the 6th one, drop a loop like this. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first, and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch like this. So this is our pattern with chain 1 space. Now make chain 1, skip 1 chain from here, go into the second one, drop a loop, pull the yarn through 2 loops first, and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch like this. Chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next one, make a double crochet stitch into it. Again make chain 1, skip 1 chain, go into the next one and make a double crochet stitch. I am just making this row to add tassels at the end of this shawl. You can skip this row if you want as well and add tassels directly into simple double crochet row. So this row is completed. Now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, and we are skipping this first stitch and going to make double crochet into the chain 1 space. Then we are going to make a double crochet into the double crochet stitch after chain 1 space. Then again here is chain 1 space, make 1 double crochet in this chain 1 space, then make 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch, 1 double crochet in chain 1 space, and then 1 double crochet into the double crochet stitch. So in this way we are going to make 1 double crochet into each of these chain 1 spaces and a double crochet stitch till the end. Here in the end I have made double crochet in chain 1 space, and here is our chain 3. In this third chain we are going to make a double crochet stitch because this is also counted as a stitch, so our last stitch would be in chain 3. Now 2 rows are completed. We are going to make simple double crochet row again. Make 3 chains, turn up the work and skip 1 stitch, go into the second one here and make a double crochet stitch into it. Go into the second one, make a double crochet stitch into it. then into the next one make 1 double crochet, then into the next one make 1 double crochet. In this way make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches till the end of this round. And our last stitch would be in this chain 3. Make last stitch in this chain 3. Third row is also completed. Now we are going to start our pattern. Make 3 chains, turn up the work, go into the second stitch, make a double crochet into it, double crochet into the next stitch, a double crochet into the next one, double crochet into the next one. We have 5 stitches here including chain 3. Now skip 3 stitches into the fourth one, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. After a set of 3 double crochet stitches, make chain 1 and then chain 2 into the same stitch here, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Now skip 1, 2, and 3 stitches and into the fourth one make 1 double crochet like this. Make 1 double crochet in each of these stitches till last 12 stitches remaining, because before shell stitch we have to make some stitches like this. Now 12 stitches are remaining here. 7 stitches would be used for shell stitch. Skip 3 into the fourth one, we are going to make our shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and chain 1, chain 2, again into the same stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. This is our shell stitch pattern. So skip 3 stitches again and we are going to make a double crochet into the fourth one. Make double crochets in rest of these stitches also. So here are 5 stitches. Make 3 chains to start the next row. Turn up the work. Make 1 double crochet into the second stitch, double crochet into the third stitch, into the fourth one, and then into the fifth one. And after that we have our shell stitch and we are going to work into the chain 2 space of this shell stitch. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into this chain 2 space of shell stitch, and then skip 3 stitches of shell stitch and we are going to make a double crochet into the next stitch after shell stitch. Complete these double crochets till the next shell stitch, and in this chain 2 space of shell stitch again we are going to make shell stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 1 and then chain 2, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3, and then we are going to make double crochets in these next 5 stitches. So this is our pattern, and we are just going to repeat this row for the rest of shawl length like this. You can see just this row would be repeated for the whole pattern, and you can adjust the width of shawl according to your own requirement. Now we are going to repeat the starting rows. So make 1 double crochet in this first stitch of shell stitch, then 1 double crochet into the second stitch of our shell stitch, 1 double crochet into the third stitch of our shell stitch, and here we have chain 2 space, and we are going to make just 1 double crochet in this chain 2 space. Then we are going to make a double crochet into the first stitch after chain 2, then into the second stitch make a double crochet, and then into the third one make a double crochet like this, and then we are going to make double crochets in each of these next stitches till this space, and same pattern would be repeated for this shell till the end. And I have completed another simple double crochet row as well, and now make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, and we are going to make chain 1. Now skip 2 stitches from here into the third one. We are going to make a double crochet. We are just making our first row again on the ending part to add tassels. So make chain 1, skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 1 double crochet, chain 1 again, and skip 1 stitch into the next one, make 1 double crochet, and repeat this process till the end right here. Now pull the yarn after making chain 1, cut it with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn. You don't need to weave this yarn end, we are just going to adjust it in our tassels. So tassels can be made according to your own length requirement, and I am using this bigger size crochet hook to attach them to my shawl. So you can adjust the thickness of tassel by adding more strands or less strands depending upon your own requirement. With this help of crochet hook, I am just pulling these yarn strands from the back side to the right side of shawl, adjust them like this with the help of hands, just make them nice and tight to add them more sturdy and fine. So just add them like this, and we are going to add the second one now. Same process, fold these two sides in half like this, and we are going to skip this chain 1 space and going to add into the second chain 1 space. Place the hook from behind and take all these yarn strands to the back side, make them nice and tight, and then pull them through this hole like this, and then just pull them a little bit add tassels like this till the end, skipping chain one space and adding into the other one. Now I am going to show you how to make the pockets for this shawl. I am just showing you the small pattern. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, like this. Into the fourth chain, make a double crochet because chain 3 will be counted as a double crochet as well. Then make double crochet in each of these chain. Make double crochet in each of the chain till the end. I have made double crochet stitches. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 again, which will be counted as a double crochet. Turn up the work, go into the second stitch and make a double crochet. Then double crochets in each of these stitches just one time. Simple regular double crochet. So I have completed this 2-row pattern for pocket. And you can just attach this pocket made in bigger size. I have 29 stitches here. You can make the same, and you have to make the same number of stitches before the shell stitch pattern and attach it with the help of tapestry needle. Mine is 29, so I will make stitches 29 for my pocket, and then you can attach it to shawl. And this is the final look of our shawl. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.